Now, a lot of people got the business credit game messed up. The most frequent question that I get when I'm doing business credit reviews, I'm sharing data points, or I'm just showing you guys receipts and I'm letting you know what the process was like. The most common question is, was there a PG required? So for those who don't know what a PG stands for personal guarantee. And what this means is that, let's say if your business is applying for a loan, as the beneficial owner, you are essentially co-signing for your business. So in case your business is unable to repay the loan or the debt, you are personally liable for it, right? So when I hear this question, right, is there a PG involved? It never really dawned on me why people were always asking that question, because if I'm applying for a business loan, I don't care if it's a PG or if it's not a PG. If that's a financial product that I want or that I need, I'm going to personally guarantee it. I'm going to have my personal credit ran, and I'm going to be personally on the hook for the debt. The main reason why a lot of people ask this question is because they're trying to figure out if there's a way for them to avoid liability. The only way you're going to get a no PG loan from a commercial bank is if you're at the corporate credit level. Now, let me explain the difference between corporate credit and business credit. And it really shouldn't even be called business credit, because corporate credit and business credit get conflated. It really should be corporate credit and small business credit. For 99.9999% of people watching videos online about business credit, it's going to be small business credit. To qualify for corporate credit, there's different thresholds, but the lowest threshold that I've seen for corporate credit is probably like $2 million. Most banks, it'll be anywhere from, let's say, 5 million and higher, right? So you literally have to be able to provide a track record of your business generating over 7 figures. The threshold for corporate credit is 7 figures or greater. And even if you make over $1 million or sometimes $1.5 million or 2 million, you're still at that small business level. So oftentimes, I hear people saying, oh, I don't want to apply for this loan if it's going to pull my personal credit. They don't qualify for the corporate credit level, right? And even with corporate credit, you're still going to have to supply financials to even get to the point where you're not putting your personal, social security number on an application. A lot of people got the game messed up thinking that I can just get a shelf corp with no revenue. I can have bad personal credit, but then this commercial bank is just going to give me a business loan or a business line of credit with no PG and no social security number. Now, what that really hints to, when people have this mindset of, oh, I'm not going to PG, what they're really trying to get at is that they want to avoid responsibility. They want to avoid accountability for the debt. And usually it's people who don't plan on repaying the debt, right? If you're in business, why would your mindset ever be going into taking out money that you're going to potentially fumble the bag, right? Whenever I apply for a credit card or a line of credit or a loan, I never had it in my head like, oh, I may not be able to pay this back, right? That never goes into my mind, because I always plan on paying back all of my debt. So when people are having this mindset, oh, I only want to get EIN only, I don't want to put my social because I don't want accountability, you're basically telegraphing that you're going to fumble the bag. That's why you don't want to put your social security number on the credit application. There was someone wrote a comment like, oh, I'm going to pass on this. I don't want to put my social security number on it. Here's the thing. People who have good credit, they don't care if their credit is being pulled. If you have good credit, then your credit is actually going to work in your favor when it comes to getting approvals. But most of the times when people don't want their credit ran, or they only want to do a soft pull, or they want no credit check, is because they have unfavorable credit, unfavorable data points that they don't want the bank to know. All the clients I work with who have 800 plus credit scores, 750 credit scores, they want their credit to be pulled. Why? Because they want to show the bank, they want to demonstrate to the lender that they are a good borrower. But usually it's people with bad, jacked up credit, or people who don't plan on repaying the loan are seeking out these no credit check, no social security number on the application, right? Why would you even be in business if you plan on fumbling the bag? So I just wanted to make this quick video because I thought it was hilarious that a lot of people have this assumption that, they could have a shell of a business and be able to get no PG loans from the bank with no documents, no information, and bad personal credit. Just does not exist.